Alright, check this out, y'all. This is that papa pepper soup, right, that I'm making. Somehow I made a mistake, you know what I'm saying? And I had cut the recorder off. There's a lot of stuff I still don't know how to do with this recorder. But make a long story short, I put these boneless, skinless chicken thighs up in this joint, right? That's just regular water there with the boneless chicken thighs. And I put 2 teaspoons of this chicken bouillon seasoning in there. Now that's just a little bit that I'm gonna start her with, but I got a long way to go because this joint gonna have a lot of flavor to it. And you let that chicken cook for about an hour 20 minutes, hour 15 minutes, you know, because you see it already, it's breaking up in pieces like this here. You want it real tender. And when I sit and I let it boil down a little bit more, I'm gonna sit and taste, even though that's broth already, what you're boiling with, that's chicken broth. I'm gonna sit and pour the majority of that broth off. I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken broth to it, right? Matter of fact, I'm not gonna pour that off, because that is broth. But I'm gonna add another container of chicken broth with it, and I'm gonna put 1 stick of this here, that Filipino cheese. Now I got a long way to go, man, with these flavors. I just want y'all to know. Before we start doing anything, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button, and I want y'all to follow y'all boy and fuck with him and fuck with me hard. Hey. I'm sorry, I got to repeat what I said because I had that volume off. That's my bad, my bad. That was a teaspoon of kosher salt that I put in that joint. Kosher salt, right? And look here, that's what you see. That's the broth. That's the broth. That's 2 teaspoons, but not 2 teaspoons. That's 2 jalapeno peppers in there because I'm scared of the heat. And you know, like I said again, I had the volume cut off. My bad. Y'all got to fuck with y'all boy because I ain't the best when it comes to this recording, but one thing I can do, I can cook. And I'm one of the coldest at doing this here. So just follow me and work with me. I'm going to add this stick of cream cheese to that joint just as well. And that's one cup of onions and 1 cup of green peppers you see that was put in there. Yeah, man. That's what it is. That's what it is. Excuse me again for the volume. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of turmeric in there, and I'm also going to put 1 teaspoon of that smoked paprika. Man, stop playing with me. Oh yeah, we got some more surprises. We got another surprise. 1 cup of this half and half. Oh yeah, we got a gap. Yeah. We got a gap. Now check this out. Y'all thought I was through? We're going to put 5 garlic cloves in this joint. And I'm going to put this whole stick of cream cheese in there. Man, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Yes, 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 yes. Put 1/4 a cup of flour and water. Oh, I'm getting what I'm looking for. Now we're gonna let that thing slow down and cook some more. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that thing thicken up, man. We're gonna let that thing thicken up, y'all. Recipe, y'all got to get on top of it. Cause this is fire, brother. This is fire. Now me, what I want some of these mixed vegetables added with mine. That ain't how it's supposed to come, but that's what I want. That's what I want, y'all. This me with my own twist to it. And I want some vegetables with it. Lord have mercy. Put a little bit of this spicy vegetable seasoning in there. And that's it. I'm talking about this a perfect lick. When I'm through and you serve it, it's gonna be with a little bit of cheese, some bacon chips. Man, stop it. Stop it. This tastes delicious. I've already tried it. A bomb. One of the best I've ever put together. And plus, last but not least, I want y'all to know I did put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder in here. Yeah. I love the flavor of garlic. It got to be in there. Now look, y'all, I let that meat, like I say, cook for an hour and 20 minutes to let it broke up. But when I sit and I did everything else with the soup bar and made the sauce, I let it cook for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and I'm going to put a little bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon chips, and hey, that's how we going to do this here, baby. Like I said, hit that subscribe button and stop playing with me. Y'all leave some comments, man. Fuck with y'all boy, man. For real, Jack. Hit that bell so y'all know every time I put something together. Y'all will sit and make it do what it do with me, man. I'ma holler at y'all. Y'all see what the ghetto chef doing, man. Give me a little fresh black pepper in there. Alright, Jack. I'm finna go home and sit and bowl him up. Hey, y'all. I got a little bit more something I want to sit and add to this joint. Just a little bit more something. gonna add just a little bit of cheese to the joint. Yes, 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 yes. And put a few bacon chips on there. And this that winner, man. This that winner. This that soup. This that thing. I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, man. Don't leave me hanging like this here, because look here, man. This is serious. And this is delicious. I ain't just talking, man. This shit fire. I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. Y'all know how I do it, man. The ghetto shizzle. You dig? I'm gonna holler.